tools change. Like I remember when I first started, Adobe was dominant and everyone was very competent in Adobe, Illustrator, Photoshop, all that kind of stuff. Then, different tools came on the scene, Balsamic, and more recently it's been Sketch, now it's
Mm-hmm.
Figma. Those things
Mm-hmm.
evolve. You know,
Mm-hmm.
and if someone's competent in one tool, you can probably pick up those other tools.
Right.
So I think that will take, usually that's table stakes. That'll take care of
Mm-hmm.
itself. Um,
Mm-hmm.
so I think what will come across is, like I said, is this person curious? Can you think big picture? Can you understand concepts? Can you explain the
Mm-hmm.
nuances to other people?
Mm-hmm.
Can you work in a
Mm-hmm.
cross-functional team? Can you build consensus?
Mm-hmm.
Consensus building is a
Right.
huge part of what we do because
Mm-hmm.
we design sits in a unique position between product and engineering and marketing occasionally. Can you take
Mm-hmm.
those multiple inputs and put together a story? I'm
Right.
going on a tangent a little bit, but basically,
Right.
like really effective designers, who are senior, will actually take all these different inputs and put together a concept, a deck. As you
Mm-hmm.
move more
Mm-hmm.
senior, you become the person who's selling an idea, and then you take it around to
Mm.
different stakeholders, and you build consensus around
Right.
that idea. And then that once
Right.
once consensus is built, can you execute on that idea? Those are the kinds of things
Right.
that are important.